Rolls Royce is admired worldwide for its unmatched strength, precision engineering and premium luxury, yet even a machine this refined can suffer heavy damage during extreme accidents. This analysis explores how various crash situations impact a Rolls Royce and reveal how costly these damages can become. When a Rolls Royce hits a concrete wall at normal speed, the powerful impact can crush the bumper, grille, headlights and lower frame. Even with a strong body, the force of collision bends metal panels and cracks the elegant front structure, turning its premium design into severely damaged parts. The most expensive damage in a wall crash is the front sensor system. Rolls-Royce cars carry multiple high-grade sensors for safety assistance, and once broken, these components cost huge amounts. Replacing them requires specialized calibration, making this repair exceptionally costly and time-consuming. In such a collision, airbags deploy instantly and their replacement cost is extremely high. Rolls-Royce airbags use advanced technology and premium materials. Even a single deployment leads to massive repair bills, because the dashboard, steering assembly and airbag modules must all be replaced and reset. A stronger impact can misalign the frame of the Rolls Royce. Fixing this precision structure is complicated because the chassis is engineered with advanced materials. Only certified technicians can realign it properly, and the cost becomes enormous due to the accuracy and machinery required to restore the frame. If the Rolls Royce collides with another car, the other vehicle usually suffers greater destruction because Rolls Royce is built with superior strength. However, the Rolls Royce still receives clear damage, especially on panels and lights, proving that even the toughest luxury cars are not fully crash-proof. In such impacts, bumpers, fenders, doors and lighting units can break. Rolls-Royce parts are handcrafted and extremely expensive, often costing more than entire engines of normal cars. This makes even moderate collision repairs financially heavy, as premium materials demand precise replacement methods. Paint repair on a Rolls Royce is another major task. A tiny mismatch ruins the entire luxury finish, so expert color matching is required. Restoring the original shine takes advanced techniques and multiple layers of polishing, making paint correction extremely expensive and highly detail-oriented. If a Rolls Royce falls into a ditch or drops from height, the accident becomes extremely destructive. The impact forces are massive, causing structural collapse. Even though the car is solid, such falls break its refined engineering balance and leave it with widespread damage across multiple components. After a fall, the roof, doors, boot, windows and frame can be severely crushed. High pressure can twist the body, shatter glass and deform pillars. Rolls-Royce is strong, but falling from height exposes it to forces beyond design limits, causing damage that is extremely hard to fully repair. The suspension system can completely fail in a fall. Rolls-Royce uses a complex air suspension setup with advanced sensors. If these components break, repairs become highly expensive, requiring specialized technicians. A damaged suspension affects ride quality and can cause further mechanical imbalance. Severe falls may also damage the engine and gearbox. These components are extremely costly and replacing them can push the vehicle towards a total loss category. A broken gearbox or cracked engine block involves massive labor and parts cost, making restoration almost impractical in many situations. In a side collision, the Rolls-Royce doors take the hardest impact. These doors feature advanced soft-close motors, insulation layers and swan wing hinges. When damaged, all internal components require replacement. This makes side impact repair one of the most expensive tasks for this luxury car. Internal door electronics like wiring, sensors and soundproofing also break during side crashes. Repairing these premium systems significantly increases costs. Overall, any Rolls-Royce accident becomes extremely expensive due to high-end parts, precision engineering and specialized repair needs.